Libra has zero friends, and I'm not lying. Go ask them.
Yeah, totoo yan. Actually, kaya nga pag may nagtatanong, madami ba akong friends? No, wala. Wala talaga. Like, kung meron man, isa, dalawa. Kasi, yeah, I like to um having fun with many people, meeting new people. Ayun, nakikipag-friends, ganito, ganyan. Pero yung totoong friend talaga, no, wala. Kasi, yun nga, nung nalaman ko na Libra, may ganitong traits. Kasi ako mismo, nasisense ko mga tao eh. Yung may mga tao na they wanted to be friends with you, but you sense it like something is wrong. Nakakasense ka talaga. I mean, for me nakakasense talaga ako as a Libra. So, parang no, I'm so picky. Oo. Kasi you cannot, I mean, for me, I cannot really trust anyone. So, basta as a Libra, for me, parang na-obsess ako sa pagiging Libra ko. As in. Kaya, ayun, yun lang yung superpower ko is nakaka-sense talaga ako ng mga tao pag ganito yung intention, like bad intention towards you. Nakaka-sense talaga ako, Kaya, wag ako.